and preferably colour from the 20s and 30s, I'm gonna call bullshit. G'day world, Craig Jenkins from Hydroblasting, coming at you like a bomb with another all Aussie hydroblasting adventure. Got a couple of bits here today from a customer from a 1956 Triumph that he's restoring. We're going to put them in the blasting cabinet and make them look pretty again. Now, I know a lot of you restorers out there are used to old school mechanics telling you that they never came out of the factory looking that good, but I'm going to call them out. How many of these blokes are actually around in 1939 or 1927? I've done heaps of WLA engine cases, and the aluminium used in those things was of the highest quality. Do they honestly believe that brand new aluminium from the foundry came out looking dull and oxidised? Maybe Grandpa told them that. But unless they can show me some good quality photos, and preferably colour from the 20s and 30s, I'm gonna call bullshit. Why are they telling you this? I don't know. Perhaps they're worried some of their profit margins disappearing. Perhaps their workmanship isn't as good as they're making out. I don't know about you guys, but if I was doing a ground up restoration on a 1934 Indian and was paying someone 10 or 20k to build the engine for me, I'd want the thing looking mint. So if your mechanic comes up with excuses about why you shouldn't get your engine components hydroblasted, just get a new mechanic who's going to do the job properly. Anyhow, rant over. I'll get on to making these Triumph bits look as close to new as possible, and I'll give you a look at them when they're finished. Well, there's those two engine bits out of the blasting machine. They're not new, but they're as close to new as you'll get. Don't forget, they're 67-year-old, those bits. But came up very nice. Cleaned up the gasket surfaces and give them a wash in there as well. No glass. Right to go straight back on the bike. Well, those Triumph bits turned out all right, eh? Thanks for tuning in, guys. I dare say I haven't made too many friends today with me little bit of a rant, but had to be said. Anyhow, if you like what you see, check out some of my other content up there, or have a look at my channel, and yeah, plenty of other stuff, heaps of videos for you to have a look through, and lots of variety. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.